morning children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Dear children, in the previous session we learned about changes in the ecosystem. Now let us discuss what are the types of ecosystems in this session. Dear children, we have studied that the living communities cannot live in isolation. The organism lives in an environment which supplies its materials and energy requirements and the living conditions which is required for the life. The living community together with its physical environment forms an interacting system called as ecosystem. Ecosystems are vary from a very small plant to a dense forest area. Here, the biosphere is the largest ecosystem on the earth. So, to study the biosphere as a whole system, it is very difficult. That is why the ecologists are classified this biosphere into different ecosystems based on some aspects. Now let us discuss what are the types of ecosystems in this session. Children, already we know that abiotic components and biotic components are they are comprising ecosystem. These abiotic factors and biotic factors, whenever they are interacting each other, they resulted in the formation of different ecosystems. Based on the nature of habitable areas, the ecosystem classified into natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. And these natural ecosystem again it is classified into terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Again, these terrestrial ecosystem classified into different ecosystems like grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, desert ecosystems based on the climatic conditions and the temperature. Here, aquatic ecosystem also classified into different kind of ecosystems like marine water ecosystem and freshwater ecosystem and estuaries. Ponds, lakes and rivers and streams are they are forming these freshwater ecosystem, whereas seas and oceans they are forming marine water ecosystem. And also estuaries, where the fresh water is enter into the ocean water, there a transition zone is forming here. That transition zone is nothing but estuaries. Some kind of ecosystems are partially or fully influenced by the human being. That's why those ecosystems are called as artificial ecosystem or man-made ecosystem. The best examples are croplands and aquarium. Here, detritus ecosystem also plays a major role in the biosphere. In here, all these organic matters of these plants and animals are converting into nutrients by this detritus ecosystem only. Based on the duration of the ecosystem, the ecosystems are classified into permanent ecosystems and temporary ecosystems. Based on the size of the ecosystem, we classify the ecosystems into micro ecosystem and macro ecosystem. Children, I hope you understood well. Let's recall what we learned here. So ecosystems are classified into different type of ecosystem based on three parameters. One is based on the nature of the habitable area, based on the size, based on the duration of the ecosystems. Dear children, tomorrow we are going to study one of the important ecosystem which is very productive on the earth. Dear children, take your homework. What is ecosystem? Give example for natural ecosystem and man-made ecosystem. Thank you very much.